Hello friends, today we are discussing toolpath generation of our lecture number 8. Effective toolpath generation can drastically affect print quality, strength and material usage. It's used in FDM, SLA, SLS and other 3D printing technologies with custom strategies for each. Myself Dr. Debal Pramanik, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. In my last lecture, we are discussing the jet pattern, S pattern, spiral in or out pattern. Today, we are seeing the jet pattern strategy. So first off one is your jet pattern strategy. This is my jet pattern. Second one is my S pattern. And third one is my spiral in or out pattern. Third one is my spiral in or out pattern. Today we are discussing the island pattern. This strategy is developed by Concept Laser GmbH and it tries to reduce the thermal residual stress by dividing the area to be exposed into smaller sectors. The scanning in the island pattern is performed randomly with reduced scan tracks. This leads to reduction in the location heating or of large sections. This will reduce the localized thermal gradients and consequently residual stress is reduced. This is our island pattern. See the picture of this is your island pattern. Next, fractal pattern. Fractal is defined as a rough or fragmented geometric shape that can be subdivided into parts in which each of which is a reduced size replica of the complete part. In fractal strategy, continuous lines without self-intersection are used to fill a region of a part as presented in the figure. That is your fractal pattern design. Area by area solidification. Some additive manufacturing techniques directly solidify the part area by area instead of line by line scan. Some of the examples include cubital stereolithography process in which a mask is first developed based on the sliced contours. Further, a thin layer of photopolymeric resin is then selectively cured and solidified by exposing to UV light. In advanced format, a combination of two or more toolpaths is adapted for optimum results. One such pattern is the hybrid toolpath, which is combination of contour and Z or S toolpath. The raster or zigzag toolpath is used to fill the inner area of the part to improve the build efficiency, while contour toolpath is developed to construct the boundary contour to achieve improved geometrical quality of the part as compared to Z or S toolpath. Today we are discussing the total different toolpath generation in additive manufacturing. Thank you.